Just say it because I'm recording. Just say it.
Let's walk around and get some action, y'all.
But tell the camera what's happening.
Oh, Lord, that didn't sound good. Tell me.
Mama, tell Papa, tell the camera what's happening.
We're going to walk around and look at the fire department and see if they're busting in and out.
The fire alarm went off at the hotel.
Yeah, the fire alarm went off. The fire department just arrived.
10:30 at night. It's 10:30 at night.
Yeah? Yeah. It is.
Outside.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
a hot room.
Yeah. I don't know why I'm laughing at this.
We want to see the fire department here. Right now, Daddy, all y'all.
I got a zoom in shot so they know that it's not that it's real.
There you go. Here's a zoom in shot right here.
There they are.
They're going to know if somebody just pulled that alarm, though. What it is. A smoke detector or...
Yeah, I'm thinking someone just pulled the alarm. Just for like a prank.
There's a brother.
I'm thinking someone just pulled the alarm for a prank, you know what I mean?
But they sending another one, too, big and coming.
Where did Mama go?
Right there.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, they got to check it out. Maybe that's why my room's so hot.
It's not that hot. I feel like you're overreacting a bit. I'm gonna go over here. What? Bro, what's next? Hold on, Papa. Yeah, this is real.
People coming to rescue you. Coming in. They taking something in, Tabitha. First floor.